Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room categories, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.6, which is the good. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 4 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 7 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please below to link in description. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new resort.